Today in this video I show you how to make all TikTok videos private. For this you have to open TikTok, click on profile icon. Now select the video you want to make private and click on it. Now you can click on privacy setting or you can click on three dots. Slide this to find privacy setting and open it. Now you have to change who can watch this video. If you want this video to make private only for the people who don't follow you or not your friends on TikTok, then select friends. And if you want that the video will not be seen by your friends or anyone on TikTok, then select this only you to make the video private for all. You can also do one more thing. If you only want this video to make private for random TikTok users who are not your followers or friends, go back and open menu. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on privacy and turn on this private account toggle to make your account or videos private for random TikTok users. So this is how you can make all TikTok videos private. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.